Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm taking on the 100 peso budget lunch challenge. Let's see if I can make a full meal with only 100. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Video ka? Gawa ka rice. Soft drinks ka.
Parang
Yung mga vlog nila mo, Big. Enjoy, Big. Big, katsa.
okay, makat naman na sa video niya. 100 lang ang baon. Hasulan yung bag-vlog ay. Ikaw na, Bi.
And now, let's answer the questions. So, how did I successfully complete the challenge? So, I budgeted carefully and choose affordable food items. So, what was the most challenging aspects of the challenge? So, the most challenging part was making sure everything fit within 100 pesos. What aspect of the challenge was the most exciting for me? The exciting part was finding budget-friendly food and still enjoying the meal. Lastly, what insights did you gain about your material self through this challenge? So I realized that with proper planning, even a small budget can be enough.
So karon guys, nakagasto mig pilay mo? 35. Ima, pilay na gasto nimo? Pilay na gasto nimo? 85. 85. Oh. 25 plus 5 ni. 40. 40 raw nam. Kao da. Tayawa. Ito like naman ako. Video ka? Gawa ka rice. Gawa ka rice. Soft drinks ka.
Parang
Yung mga vlog nila mo, Big. Enjoy, Big. Big, katsa.
okay, makat naman na sa video niya. 100 lang ang baon.